The External References panel, over on the left side, I can highlight it by selecting this icon. This allows me to layer information from different projects or different sources. In this example, I'll show you how I can layer on some additional information that come from this job site. Currently, we're looking at the GIS database definitions of some lot layers. So if I check on this FGA sample 2, what we're able to do is view the results of some traverse work. I can also check on FGA sample 3 and we'll find that there was some RTK work that was done on site, and that also gets displayed on the screen. And I can turn these off. All you have to do is just slide the panel over slightly to refresh the view. So you'll find that these are layered in there for reference, but they will still act as though they're a part of a different project, just there for reference. Thanks for learning about the External References feature.